Welcome, everybody. This is Mark Terracone from Northeast Electrical Distributors. We have our automation team here in the City of Champions, here to talk a little bit about a variety of topics related to automation. We're going to provide, I'm going to turn it over right now. We're going to start with Brian Calfin, and we've got a few others here that will present some updates for you. Take it away, Brian.
Okay, yeah, thank you, Mark. Brian Calfin, Automation Solutions Manager for Northeast Electric. Today I would like to cover the Logix start page, Studio 5000 as of version 21, or RS Logix 5000 pre-version 21. So the start page provides training and reference information to help you learn the use of RS Logix 5000 or Studio 5000. When you first launch 5000 software, the start page window opens with a quick start page tab and view. So you can hide this start page by clicking it here on the sidebar. You can also bring it into view by going up to view and clicking start page. You could also do Alt 9, or you could also do help and go to the quick start learning center or the resource center. The start page, each page has tabs, and if you went to each tab, you would have that content in the pane. The quick start page includes the recent projects that you've done. You can open an existing project, you can start a new project, or open a sample project, a Rockwell sample project. Also, you could open a third-party vendor project, and there are the vendor sample project information about those. You also have the Get Started, the Get Connected, and My First Project. So if you click on one of the topics, it will start. Oh, I guess it's muted. That's fine. So the video would start. The tutorial video would start. You can pause or stop and return to the beginning. You could play it. You could advance one step. You could return one step, and you can close it. Or you can change it. You can mute it or not. The Learning Center has what's new right here, how to perform specific tasks, and tips to improve your efficiency with the software. The What's New tab includes animated tutorials, show you new functionality of the version of the software. The How-To tab includes procedures grouped into categories that will help perform the software tasks. Under Did You Know, you'll see related topics to this version of software. So the Resource Center. The Resource Center includes links to online books and websites. You can click on a link to open up either the Quick Start or any of the information that you have there. You can click on the online books and get that information. You can click on the PDF. The Download tab. The Download tab includes links to the software and the firmware and the EDS sheets. If you have internet connections, you can click the link and go to the related website. The Website tab also includes a variety of websites that will help you use and learn the RS Logix software. Now that you know where to find valuable information about the software, be sure to use the start page and become more familiar with using the software.
Awesome.
So I got no connection, so can I use your computer?
Yeah, jump on over. So next we have Ross Jordan here to show us a little bit about some resources again on the web that are available to us.
Yep. Ross Jordan, I'm another automation solutions manager at Northeast Electrical Distributors, and I'm going to show you where to find resources for the Rockwell process library, basically pre-done instructions for your control logics and compact logic controllers, as well as pre-done screens for FactoryTalk View. So I'm going to minimize that and open up Firefox, and I'm just going to type ab.com in the search bar. Oh. See if it catches up. Okay. So I'll type ab.com in the search bar. It's much easier than typing rockwellautomation.com. It'll go redirect me to rockwellautomation.com. And there's a couple of spots I want to show you. One is the literature library. It's a great place to get information on what you're working on. Right in the search bar here, you type in process library. And it's the first thing on the list is a manual on the library process objects. This is a good overview. Each object has its own manual as well, but this gives you a good overview of what all the instructions are and how they all tie in between the controller and the HMI. All right, moving on from there, I want to show you where to download the process library, and I'm just going to go back to ab.com. And we're going to click on the compatibility and downloads icon. And then click on the download link. And then from here, you search for process library. They have a number of different versions, and go with the latest version. And then from here, select downloads, and then you click on the select file, and we're just going to download the library process objects. It is worth noting that there's a whole library for Endress and Hauser, as well as a complete documentation set. So once you've got the library selected, you click on downloads, click on download now. You have a couple of options. Oops. Oh, I'm going to sign in as you. Have to log in. Oh, maybe not. So sign in, username and password. Accept terms and conditions. Notice I didn't have to enter a product key or any of this because this is available to everybody that has a login. So I picked manage download, and the reason I picked that is it better recovers if the download is interrupted and has better error checking. And what it does is it downloads an executable file to your computer, and that actually runs the download. So once you download that, you're going to go select it, and that will run the download to put it on your computer. One thing worth noting, you can see right down below the download progress bar, it's the path where it's going. Make note of that path, or you might even want to change it to something else so that you know where it is. Once it's completed downloading, that highlighted change will become open, and you can actually open the folder from there. If you're not watching closely, you might click on close and forget where you've downloaded the file. And that's it. Just cancel out of that. So,
Fantastic.
yeah.
Fantastic. So you're downloading the library right now, and take a few minutes, but I guess in a future session, we'll show what that library can do.
Yeah.
Excellent. Next, we're going to turn it over to John Lopes, who has an update on some of our motion products and solutions.
Alrighty. I'm going to talk about independent cart technology. Wait for my screen to update. Good. So we're going to talk about independent cart technology and how it increases machine flexibility and throughput. So why independent cart technology? Historically, motion control has incorporated chains, belts, gears, walking beam mechanics. These mechanical solutions add limited flexibility, wasted energy, and lead to excessive maintenance costs. With modern machines, customers put some pretty high demands on us. Changing requirements may be driving you to deliver smaller production runs that require fast production changeovers and increase machine flexibility. At the same time, you may need to optimize output and increase profitability while reducing costs. So the solution to this, independent cart technology, is the next step in motion control, eliminating the rotary chain drives, belt, gears, messed that up. Sorry. Eliminating the rotary driven chains, belts, and gears of the past. It replaces mechanics with simple, effective software profiles, redefining speed and flexibility in automation. So MagneMotion has this independent cart technology. At the core of MagneMotion's independent cart technology is a new generation of linear motors that provide significantly higher performance than conventional conveyors. With position control, intelligent motion optimization, optimizing vehicle efficiency and speed, it eliminates disruptions and holdups. Fewer parts than conventional systems, meaning less maintenance and downtime, and 10 times as fast. It's unmatched flexibility, accommodates thousands of independently controlled vehicles or pucks in multiple product variations. Standard industrial communication protocols and software configured move profiles for fast and easy changeovers. All that together increases your throughput, flexibility, improved reliability, modular and scalability, and provides simple integration. So now we talked about that, I'm going to have some videos in the links below. You can go on YouTube and you can watch a video from Rockwell actually showing a nice demo of the product running. And there's one here from Gentex, which is a local user that converted the whole plant to use this technology. If you go to magnemotion.com, here you can see the actual system running. If you go to products and services and then resources, from this point you can download old brochures, ebooks, download software and firmware for your systems. You can also read some success stories and watch some videos of some customers actually use this technology. Down at the bottom of the page, you can download manuals, application notes, and all 3D CAD files. And that is that.
Excellent. Good. Thank you, John. That's fantastic. Any questions from people watching the video? Please chat in any questions you might have, but also feel free to contact your account manager or someone at Northeast, one of our guys from the automation team, to assist you with any applications you may be working on, where you may have interest in the independent cart technology or some of the tools that are built into our PlantPAx library, and also to Brian Calvin's point, getting familiar with the start page and some of the utilities that are built into the software products to help you develop systems more efficiently. Thanks for joining us this morning, and look forward to seeing you in the future. Thanks again. Take care.